I swear that's what you're meant to do.
Yeah, pretty much.
Andrew takes driving.
Andrew, is it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It is Andrew.
It's the big guy.
Oh,
That's crazy. Hell no, yeah. There's losers up in the front, bro.
And 440k6.
It's a pyramid, man.
Someone's dad has spent like 5 hours sculpting that.
Yeah.
I realised they cut off half the top.
Pruning this bush.
Oh, hell no. Where's taking the floor? That's great. We need to do a competition. Put him on the.
Let me get those.
Bro, where'd the B drop go? Winners say hey, winners say hey, hey,
Winners say hey.
hey.
Hey, flip the camera on yourself, bro. Flip it on yourself.
Oh my god.
So soon.
100% happy.
Who does Curtly think? Oh yeah, come on, Curtly's not in there.
Let him in.
Let him in.
I don't think this thing's high enough. 1, 2, 3. That's on 3. Wait.
I don't think standing close.
No, it's not try and work it
Wait,
out.
go again. Jasper, go again. Jasper.
It's random. You can't work it out.
See?
Yeah.
That's how I guess it.
It's always on 3 seconds. It's always on 3 seconds.
I don't know.
It genuinely is. I just counted it twice. That's why he's
Yeah,
getting
but you might not be counting 3 seconds properly.
It's always on 3 seconds.
3 Nathan.
No, count
Let me
it.
do it.
Count it as soon as this lights up. Count 3. Look. 0, 1, 2, 3. No?
Well,
It's always on 3.
Wait, no, one of them got it.
Way.
Yeah, he's
He's locked in.
No, the one over there is different.
Watch. 0, 1, 2, 3.
That's 4.
See? No, Matthew, start at 0 because that's when it starts.
50% chance of getting it. Nathan, you do it. Show us how you do it.
Yeah, you got. Alright, let me. I think it might be.
I get stick drift in video game. 3. Ooh, unlucky.
I think maybe give it a bit of delay after you say 3.
I'm going to just continue try timing it because if we get this, it'll be cool.
Marlon got very shit.
2, 3. Nah, it's slightly too early. Wait. It's up. Go again. It's slightly
Do
more.
like 3 and. Do like 3 and then do it.
1,
2, 3 and bosh.
I don't know. I think.
Jump it up.
Oh hell no. Let's burn this on the vlog.
You should get a Polaroid, Ray.